Uh, Williams, Philippines. Merry Christmas and blessings all. It is Sunday, December 21st. And it is 10:35 in the PM, so this is going to be fast and furious because, quite honestly, I'd say I got a bowl, but it's still in the pot. And I'm going to eat it right out of the pot because I don't feel like washing an extra bowl. Uh, I have had a blessed day. I got an umbrella. Uh, I had lots of fun. I actually got to try full blown Filipino spaghetti, hot dogs included. Oi, spaghetti and rice with it. Ah, I loved it. I don't know what the. I talked to them afterwards to see about how some of the things they do, because it wasn't tomato acidy like Italian spaghetti sauce. So, uh, yeah, there's some tricks to it that I don't know yet. I'm gonna try. Uh, but I have officially had Filipino spaghetti, a large bit of it. I was happy. I am as tired as all get out, y'all. And I got to, yeah, got to see all the jumping around and party games and, yeah, saw some things that were quite different. Uh, yeah, I'm not even going to try to explain it. It's not PG. Yeah, so, uh, but I ain't worried about it. This isn't for kids, but if they're here, I'm not going to go there. Period. You got to come here and experience a party for yourself. Anyway, I got to playing with some of the kids. Some of them got little swords with lights in them for the little uh, kids running around, and I was playing with swords and getting attacked and attacking them back, chasing them around. I'm tired. Oh, am I tired? It's been a blessed day. I'd like to make a couple of them kids. Then I'd always be tired. uh, but I had a lot of fun today with what all was going on, having for Christmas. Boy, talked to one of the friends that went back home. And they came up here for a visit. Yay, got to see friends that have been away for a while. They live on another island. Might need to go to that island and visit that island. Uh, yeah, if I seem a little out of it, it is because I'm tired. Got done there, walked back here, and yeah, got here and just started peeling off clothes. And the only thing I did besides that was plug in the cooker for my soup, turn it on, and crawled into the shower. And I had a good 25 minute shower. Boy, feet are hurting. I've been on them a lot today. And I'm really irritated with my Apple Watch. Yeah, it told me I walked about a mile and a half. Really? That thing is so far off, it's unreal. Because it's a mile here and there. or from here to there and there back. So it's trying to tell me I only walked a half mile all day, chasing around, playing. Don't get me wrong, I said a lot, but I also got up and walked around a lot, talked to people. Went, boy, I don't know about y'all, but Christmas has been a blessing, and I'm wore out. Quite honestly, this is the best Christmas I've had in probably 10 years. Yeah, at least 5. Quite honestly, I am so blessed to be here, and I am thankful that I am here. And I told my friends here that they've been a blessing to me, as they have. And I've made some friends here way faster than I usually make friends. And quite honestly, I don't usually make friends just, I've been here 5 months and I got some friends. Oh, yeah. Anyway, I hope your Christmas is a blessing to you. And I hope it's a great one for you this year. That you got that you get to see a lot of friends and family and have lots of food with them. I hope that you don't have a bunch of left side, right side, stupid side all the way around messing with your Christmas. If you do, I feel sorry for you on that. Uh, Sometimes you just got to write people out of your life, even if they are close. I hate to say it, I've done it. Sometimes it is better to walk away, cut them out of your life, and be thankful they're gone. But be very judicious in that doing. Don't do it lightly. But if they're going to be negatives in your life, do you really need them in your life being negative? Anyway, I hope you don't have that problem. I pray you don't. Anyway, I'm tired. My feet hurt, and I'm hungry. Because I can tell you honestly, my Apple Watch is lying again when it says I only burned 319 calories all day. Yeah. Of course, that might be because I sweated so much, my Apple Watch got wet from sweat. Oh, no, that's haircut. I've been trying to learn new words. Belt, I'm thinking of sweat. I'm not positive. Somebody out there can correct me on that. Okay, fine. I'm learning. Uh, a new language at 62. This would have been better to try 20 years ago. My mind ain't as sharp as it used to be. It's still sharp enough, but yeah. I'm tired. My mind has been going and running, and I can tell you when I do get this uploaded and online, I hope it's on time for today. But if it didn't, it didn't. It is what it is. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, more food. I'm blessings to all. I'm Fish. Fish out.